Yo guys, today we are making slime, fluffy slime, and I will show you how to make it and the things you will need. So this is the one me and Lacey's just made. Do you want to be on camera? Hi. Okay, so we've got this, it's like a fluffy slime, but it's not as fluffy as it can be, so we're going to get fluffier slime. So you will need a bowl, a mixing tool, either some shaving gel
or
shaving foam, yeah. To make it like really stretchy, use some like bath foam.
Yeah.
And then you will need this.
Alright, hello. Like, it has to be pure.
Yeah.
From
Bio.
Boots.
It's bio.
It's got to be
True.
from Boots.
Yeah, and it is. Yeah, it has to be from Boots.
Because all of the others that we tried, it didn't work.
Yeah, and it has to have borax acid. I think is that it?
Yeah.
Borax acid. I don't know how to say it. And if you want it to be, sometimes you can use Ariel, but we're not going to use Ariel. We're just going to use some contact solution. Yeah, and oh yeah, a baking soda, bicarbonate of soda. We'll just need like that much and 2 of them. So let's get on with it. So you will see both of us in the video partway through it. So let's get on with this. So we are using first. Oh, we didn't show the glue, did we?
No.
That's the main thing. We are using this glue, PVA
yeah.
washable. So there we go. Well, this glue we tried, and it just made it look really horrible, didn't it?
Yeah. Made it look like mashed potatoes.
Yeah. Not even that. It was disgusting.
Yeah.
Do you want to show how much we're putting in?
Yeah, we're only putting that much in.
It's quite a lot, but
Yeah.
do you want to mix it?
Yeah.
So Lacey's going to mix it now. Show them how to mix it. So you want to like tip the bowl and then try and get it down to the bottom. So you've got to mix it in case there's any clumps in there. For like a minute or 2. So keep mixing it. And then we will be using
CO2, is it?
oh no, we'll use the shaving foam first to make it, and then we might even get it more fluffier. Because this doesn't look fluffy,
But it
is. Do you want to keep mixing it? So we'll put this. Where should we put this? So we'll put this in this tub here, so then it can, because it has a life of its own, so it can spread everywhere. So that'll do for that. Okay, shall I add the shaving foam?
Yeah.
So just put the mix a bit more in. Okay. So now we're adding the shaving foam. So you got to give it a shake a bit, and then
Quite a lot.
yeah, that's going to get it really fluffy.
Yeah.
So we didn't use this much last time,
No, we only use like a really tiny bit.
so it's going to be even fluffier. We might even need some more glue in a minute.
Yeah.
Should we get some more glue in this?
Yeah.
We'll just wait a minute, because we might. We've just got to keep mixing this up. Yeah, let's get some more glue. So, more glue. That.
I'm just playing with it.
Okay, so are you ready to do the mix? Let's do more mixing in this bit. So now we've got a lot in here. This is going to make a lot of slime, I think. Just keep watching here, please. And keep mixing. So this is UK, guys.
Yeah, we got this from. Well, you got. We got this. Well, Billy got the same thing from
Wilko's.
Wilko.
This is from Boots. This is from Wilko's. This is from Next, and this is from Wilko's as well.
Yeah.
So most of it is just in like your local shops and stuff, like town and everything.
Like, you can get basically shaving foam anywhere and glue anywhere.
Yeah.
But it is really hard to find this.
Yeah, so you want to like try and get it in Boots or something.
Yeah. Because we got one from Poundland in town. It didn't work because it was a pound.
Yeah.
But these are £7.
So it is quite a lot. but-
Yeah. It's for slime as well.
So now we've done all the mixing.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see, but it is really fluffy.
Yeah,
It
really.
doesn't look fluffy, but we'll add more shaving foam after. So now we are going to add, is it that? Yeah?
Yeah, it was that and then
Mm.
baking soda. So
Bicarbonate.
now
soda.
you're going
This
to,
doesn't make it magic. This is just helping it.
like stick together. Like,
So look how much you need, guys. I've already put a tiny bit in.
yeah. Only like a tiny bit.
Like 2 teaspoons of that.
Yeah.
Probably not even that.
Like I did.
So it may look a bit more. It may look a bit of like getting together a bit, but not a lot. Wow, this has actually
Yeah.
come together.
Especially.
Wow,
And we've not even added the
baking soda yet.
what that carbonate.
With bicarbonate soda. And apparently to get it working,
It was
bicarbonate soda. I'm
yeah.
gonna try and mix with it.
Yeah.
So now Lacey's gonna do the mixing. So yeah, it's really hard to mix. And as you can see, look at the size. You can see it coming together a bit.
I just couldn't.
Okay, do you want to swap that?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if you've got it in your hand. Okay, just keep. It's really
I'll
hard.
just mix that on my side.
Yeah. So like, I don't know if you can see, guys, but it's really hard to get mixing a bit now. So now we're gonna add our. This is where most of it happens, the magic stuff. Or should we add that in first?
Let's add this one first.
But we're only gonna. This is how much you need.
Only literally like a teaspoon.
Not even a teaspoon. Look, just watch. Make sure you're always on the camera there, please. That much.
Mhm.
You might have even used too much there.
That's how much you used.
So you'll see why in a minute. I'm gonna just keep mixing. So now we're gonna add a bit more contact solution in this because we've added that. So just all we need for now is that much.
Yeah.
2 little squirts. So look now. Keep them on ice.
That is getting really tricky.
And hard to look at that. It's
Yeah, compared to this. But it's really.
okay now. What's happened, Lacey, to this?
It's basically turning into slime. And
Yeah.
it was.
But it's
really
not slime
liquidy.
yet because look, if you touch that,
It's just going to be watery.
it's not water. But, oh.
Like,
So now we're going to add
Tricky.
your box bicarbonate soda.
only like a really small bit.
So it says you're meant to add 2 teaspoons, but we're only adding these little ones because it works.
Yeah.
Just these little ones. So now we're going to.
Now, this is the magic. As you can see, as soon as Billy started mixing it, it's turning into slime.
But it's not slime yet, so we might have to add loads more. Okay. Oops.
Add in another teaspoon. 3 teaspoons.
So that's all we need now. So look, guys, I don't know if you can see it.
That is really slime.
You don't want to touch it because look,
It's still.
Yeah.
water, like dripping.
We don't want to touch it yet.
No.
This is hard work. Should we just add all that in, do you think?
Yeah.
Because then...
And then you won't have any slime, will you?
Oh, it's fine. We'll get some more later.
Yeah.
So, guys, I don't know if this is going to all come together, but
That was all of our baking soda thing.
ew. Okay, I'm just going to wash my hands because, like, I've not started mixing it all yet. Do you want to try and mix it while holding the camera? I'll do it. Just so now, look, guys, it's all still like that. This might turn out as a fail, but I'm going to keep on trying.
So, 2 slimes have been
We
filled.
might just need some more of this.
Yeah.
Right, that was close.
I would think this would be slime,
But that's not slime yet. Yeah, shall we add more of that in then?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yes. Like, he's adding loads of that in. Hi. So Billy's going to start mixing that again.
There we go. Look at that now, guys. It's gone really... Ooh, it's gone all really... It's perfect. We've just got to keep mixing this now till it's all dry. Because as you can see, look at that. It looks like a big marshmallow. It's not...
Marshmallow?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wait.
So it's not sticky now.
No,
We're
like...
going to have to keep...
But it is, like, sticky to my finger.
This is hard work when it gets to this point because it gets messier.
And, yeah.
I think we should add it onto the table yet, or...
Yeah, up to you.
Ew.
This was what I tried making slime last night, but it was a fail because me and my friend put it in the freezer and overnight, and it literally just
Froze.
yeah.
So it's like working,
But
it's like doing well,
yeah,
to be honest.
as you can see, when Billy was pulling it up, well, as he just did, it is just pulling
So
up.
you can add
this.
you can add your food colouring,
But
whatever.
we don't have any.
Well, but we might get some later.
Yeah. Or you could just add like pen thing in it or something.
Yeah, we're not going to add that then. We might be able to find something what could.
Yeah, like
So shall we get it on the table now, or?
yeah.
Because it looks like it's ready
Let's. The other slime that we made before my slime, what was Billy's? It just turned out like a failure because we used
So this is
this glue.
Look.
Yeah, this is the fluffy, literally. As you can see, I'm shaking it.
So you can make this with us, because this is not a fail. Just keep it still, Lace, please. This is not a fail. Lace is going to need it for me in a minute. Look, now the bowl looks like it's getting clean.
Yeah. I was looking at them. Have you seen this new thing, like on YouTube and Instagram and stuff? Like where they put like this thing on it, and
Can
then
you
it
just spray some contact solution onto it, please? Because it's stuck to my hand. But we can get this off. Right, I'll do it. Right, you hold it.
just adding some more of this onto his hand.
Yeah, there we go.
And then that is bringing it off with the left hand a bit.
Yeah, we're gonna have to just keep on doing it. Oh, quick get it. So now look at it, it's coming off my hand,
Yeah.
but not good.
No.
But it's working, guys.
Yeah.
We just need to add some more things to it. Like, can we get any more baking soda in this?
I do. Well, I'm trying to. I think that's all you're going to get out of that. Right. We've just added.
Okay,
This
it's coming
is-
off my hands, so you can see.
But, like, it's just trying to stick on his hands.
So as you can see, look at it now. It's coming off. Like it's off this hand, but we'll be able to get these little
Like,
bits off my hand in a minute.
yeah.
So some people don't like putting it on the hands.
Because they're
This is what happens,
fancy.
and this is what happens.
And sometimes slime turns out just like mashed potatoes
Yeah.
mixed with shaving foam or something. And then it never comes off your hands.
Would you be able to help me, Lacey, with that hand to get it off my?
Oh.
Like, don't touch it. Like, just get it.
No,
Do it from my fingers and like. So look, I don't have any. I'm not touching the slime anymore. I'm only touching these bits. So this is what you're gonna do now. You're just gonna rub your hands together, and this is what happens. It comes
Then
off.
it does come off.
So rub your hands together.
Like this is going to be really like foamy. The more foamy it is, like the more that it's going to be.
Yeah, foamier. Oh, can you pick that bit up, please? So we've dropped them on the floor. It depends. Is it still clean?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we don't need to knead it yet.
No, but it is really fluffy compared to this one.
So that one looks shiny for some reason.
Yeah, only because it's like creasing the light bit.
I don't know. It's like I think it's because we didn't add as much shaving foam in.
Yeah. Can we add some of this gel to
Into which one?
this one?
Yeah, we'll let in a minute. After
Yeah.
this video.
Yeah.
So now look at my hands, guys.
Look at his hands. It does like have really little bits on them, but like he's picking them off.
So now that's done.
Yeah.
It's still sticky, as you can
But
see. So
it's not,
done yet. Just
but
try.
it is really, really stretchy.
Try not to touch it because like we don't want it to get on our hands anymore. So while I'm just doing this, you can see there we go. Okay, now because we're gonna add more. Should we add more? Which one shall we add?
What do you mean?
Or shall we add more of that? Or?
We could add more of this.
Mhm.
He's just making like a puddle of it.
Okay. So this is like.
So you don't want to add too much of this in because you don't want it to be really watery.
Yeah, like
Because
it goes
my
watery,
slime-
guys. Trust me, it goes watery like it just did for me. But now look at it, I can pick it up fully without even sticking onto my hands. Look, now that is amazing, and we've done I was going to say we've done a fail, but we've not done a fail here.
No.
So it's still a bit sticky, but we're not going to add. Well, shall we add more of it?
No.
We might add like a tiny bit, like a little squirt, like that. Then it's going to go watery again, but then you just got to keep playing with it. But now look, guys, it's not sticking at all. So this is a pass on this one. And then, shall we see what happens if we add shaving gel into it, or?
Yeah. Let's see what.
So we've not used this yet.
No.
So
We've
this is-
only used shaving foam. But I didn't shave it.
Oh, that's it.
Gel.
It's like toothpaste.
Yeah. Look like blue toothpaste.
Oh, this might colour it a bit.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's like colouring it a bit.
So as you can see, guys, you can see it going blue. Oh,
Yeah.
It's gone all sticky again, but don't worry guys, because it's not sticking forever. Remember, you just got to keep mixing with it. So it's
Yeah.
gone all stringy. Like
When
sticky.
I had shaving foam in this, it just went stringy. But
Okay, we might need to add it back into a cleaner bowl now.
Yep.
Can we get a bowl, please? Oh gosh, it's all stuck to my hand again, but yeah, put some of that on it.
we added a bit more of that in.
Just to get it off your hands,
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Some slime.
because I'm not going to be, I don't want you watching me do this again, I'm just going to wash them to make it quicker. And then we're going to,
That is
would you
a
like to mix this thingy like you did before? I'm really looking the mixing tool.
So with our mixing tool, I'm going to mix it.
Wait, do you want me to hold the camera in a minute?
Yeah.
Hold on. Just place, just bring it back. So, just want to dry your hands. You don't need to do this though, but only if something happens. If something bad like that, what just happened. So I'm going to hold the camera while Lacey mixes it. And if you need some help, and that's it. Just watch your hand there.
So this is turning into less fluff, like less,
It's still really fluffy.
but it's turning less stickier. And we've only just put it in this bowl, and it is not.
Do you want me to do some mixing for you, Roll? Have you got it?
Got it. I'm going to see if I can.
No, don't use your hands yet.
No, but it is.
Would you like to just hold the camera while I do this? Yeah. So as you can see, guys, because you're doing this with us, if you want to, it's like really.
Really?
So now it's not sticky, yeah. It's not as sticky, but so we're gonna move this slime out of the way. Oh my! It feels like putty a bit.
Yeah, that's why I want it.
Okay. So now
That's what your hip slime felt like.
So now, because we've got all this on the table, it's not.
We're gonna like spread that. Slime does get rid of slime if it's like on the table or something. So
Can we add
as you
some
can
more
see,
contact
it's
solution?
vanished.
Should we add just a bit more? Oh, that's it. There we go. Oh, it doesn't matter. Just that's the lid. Put the lid on it, please. So,
So
as
slime.
you can see, guys, it's not sticky at all now because I've added the right amount of contact solution and everything. So, should we get like a pot for it to go in, or?
Yeah. You go get fun with this. I'm just playing with this. Literally. Oh my gosh. This is so crazy. Like, literally. Like, it is a bit sticky, but still. I don't see it's a bit blue. I'm gonna try this as well. So I'll fail. Right, is my soul. This is so fluffy.
So, this.
I don't think. Oh, let's do something. Oh, no. Whose slime's that?
Lola's and mine. I'll half it. But I'll half it later, okay? You might be able to make some more. So that's all for today, guys.
Alright.
So say bye.
Bye.
Bye.